Hello everyone. Today we're going to explore how to automate affiliate emails with Afflr. Once you've logged into your Shopify admin dashboard and opened the Afflr affiliate marketing application, you'll find yourself on the Afflr affiliate marketing dashboard. From here, let's navigate to the settings section, which you'll see right at the top. Once on the settings page, you can move on to the email section. In the email section, you'll notice a feature called Email Language. Here, you can choose the language for your emails, with English being the default option. Under the affiliate email section, you have the ability to send notifications to your affiliates about any updates concerning their commission and payouts. Let's focus on setting up an email notification for an affiliate when an affiliate application is approved. To set this up, simply toggle the button next to the option to On to make it live. If you'd like to customize it, just click on the customization icon. Once you click on this icon, you'll be able to tailor the subject and the message to fit your needs. You can utilize various customization tools such as bold, italics, and underline to enhance your message. Within the customization options, you'll also notice certain phrases enclosed in curly brackets. These are known as shortcodes. Shortcodes dynamically insert affiliate-related content into the email template. By using shortcodes, the email can automatically include relevant details, thereby streamlining communication. It's important to ensure that these shortcodes are formatted correctly to utilize them in your email. There are several shortcodes available for you in Afflr. Once you've completed your customization, make sure that the toggle button at the top is switched on and set to live. Then, just click the Save button, which you'll find either at the bottom or the top of the page. And that's it for notifying affiliates via an email when their application is approved. Now, let's step back a bit. You have various types of affiliate emails you can send, such as notifications for when an affiliate application is rejected, when an affiliate commission is approved, or when a payout is processed. Each of these follows a similar process to what we just covered. Scrolling down a bit further, you'll find options for admin emails. Just like affiliate emails, admin emails are notifications sent to the admin about updates in the affiliate program. This can include when a new affiliate application is received, when a successful affiliate sale occurs, and several other scenarios you might want to test. Continuing down the page, you'll also find the Email Customization section, which lets you align your emails with your Shopify store's branding. To do this, click on the Add File button to upload your logo in JPG, JPEG, or PNG format. You can also set the location for display in the footer. On the right side, you'll get a preview of how it will appear. After finalizing your choices, click on the Save Template button. If you scroll further down, you'll encounter the Brand Email section where you can input a sending email domain, assuming you have one. Simply type it in and hit the Submit button. And there you have it. This is how you leverage the email automation feature in Afflr for your affiliate marketing needs on your Shopify store. I hope you found this guide helpful. Thanks for tuning in.